Hey everyone, good morning. I hope your day goes well today. So today is the day 12 of this 45 day schedule for IBPS Clerk 2021, and this is beginner schedule as you are seeing, because this schedule is for those who do not have any idea what to study on daily basis. So I have created this daily schedule for beginners and it is of 45 days. So now we will start. First is reading of one editorial. It is very important to read the editorial on daily basis. Then there is daily current affairs, and for current affairs you can go for Affairs Cloud Current Affairs, because Affairs Cloud provides the best content, and if you cover the current affairs from now on, then it won't create any problem before the mains examination. I will give you the link of Affairs Cloud in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also. Then there is revision of all previous topics of English. Just try to revise the basic concepts of all the topics of English which you have covered till now. Then there are next 20 rules of 120 rules PDF. You can find this PDF in the Telegram groups. Just try to read next 20 rules. You have covered 40 rules till now. Try to read the next 20 rules. Then there is 10 mixed prelims puzzles, because it is also important. Then one prelims PDF of Guidely. This is for reasoning, because now you have covered each of topics, so now you just need the practice. Then there is profit and loss previous year questions and maths speed test, and the Guidely is 50% plus 12% offer is still on, like 50% they are providing 50% discount on all the PDF courses and mock test subscription. Then there is 12% discount by using my code. So there is total 62% discount. So if you are thinking of buy this Guidely PDF course, then you can go for now, because this offer will not come again, and this is a huge offer. Like if the PDF's price is 1000, then you will get it at 380. So this is a huge discount. So if you are planning, then you can go for it now, and the PDFs are available in both the languages, and you will find separate PDFs for all the upcoming examinations, and the validity of the PDFs is around 1 year. Plus if you have any doubt, then they are providing video solutions also. So this is very good for practice material, and you won't have to worry about the practice material anymore after purchasing this. So that's all for today. I hope you can complete it and have a nice day. Thank you.